one of the first helpful things that I hear from teachers is about the Google browser. So this is a very simple feature, but it is very helpful when a lot of times you want to be looking at two things simultaneously. So if you didn't already know, when you have the Chrome browser open, you can tap on the three dots in the upper corner and do new window, and it will auto split your screen to have two Chrome windows open simultaneously. So if you wanted to have two presentations going at the same time, if you wanted to have your content here, and maybe you wanted to pull up another resource here, you have that option. You can actually have 5 windows open simultaneously, but only 2 of them will display in split screen mode. So you can have 5, you'll have like 3 windows in the background, and you can manage all of those again by going to usually there's 3 dots right there, but Chrome needs an update. So, if you want to manage what windows are open, you can see that I now have 2 windows open, 1 and 2. If I do another new window, it'll pop open a new window, and now you'll see I have 3. So I can come in here and go to manage window. If I don't need this anymore, I can close that window. I can also just pop right back over to my other windows and manage all of that from here. I can also click and drag if I want like one to be a little bit bigger. You can manipulate that half screen to kind of display those resources that you need to display if you want to switch the size. So just a quick tip with Google Chrome.